Roto-Rooter provides expert plumbing and water cleanup service throughout Greater Seattle and Tacoma. We service faucets, toilets, clogged drains, sump pumps, water heaters, garbage disposals, broken pipes, gas lines, even commercial flushometers and grease traps. Roto-Rooter also handles the big jobs, including full sewer pipe replacement, using traditional or trenchless methods. If a water leak or sewer backup damages your home or business, our plumbing and water cleanup team can fix the problem and clean up the water damage left behind. Roto-Rooter has top ratings on all the major review sites, including Google, Angie's List, and Facebook. You can rest assured that our team is fully licensed, background checked, and insured. We serve every county in the greater Seattle and Tacoma metro area, providing 24-hour service and no extra charge for nights, weekends, or holidays. Call Roto-Rooter now or visit us on the web.